Hi, my name is Frederick Torres, and in this video, I'm going to show how I use the GPT-4 API to generate a multi-choice question based on a set of facts. I'm starting with this string which contained the list of King of France from the 10th century to the 18th century. I have the name of the king in double quote, followed by was King of France, and then the year his reign started and ended. That's a clear set of facts. I'm going to load my facts into a DB fact instance, which is just a in-memory dictionary. The only interesting thing here is that to avoid GPT to always give me the same answer, I decided to randomize the order of the facts. My facts are independent from each other, so the order does not matter in this case. I also implemented the OpenAI completion HTTP API in C#. From now on, I can add my own methods like summarize or translate. And today, I'm showing you the method generate multi-choice question about text. So let's run the code. What I'm doing here is constructing a prompt for GPT-4, which starts with the phrase, use the provided article delimited by triple quotes to generate number of questions. Random multi-choice question about the article. Mark the right answer with a character star. Number of questions will be replaced in my case by 1, and the word random will be replaced by a word like creative or imaginative. In this function, I'm just building the full prompt using the concept of GPT message. I'm going to show you more about the prompt later. Now let's make the call to GPT. I'm not going into detail about that part. And now I'm getting my answer, but before, let's look at my library log file. I'm going to show you the payload passed to GPT. There's the model, GPT-4, followed by an array of messages. The first message has a role of system, where I define what I want to be done, and then I create another message of role user where I pass the facts. I followed the recommendation from OpenAI website. That's the answer from GPT. What really matters is the content property. The content property has the following format. The first line is the question and start with the letter Q and colon, or sometime with the word question and colon. Then we have 2 line feeds and the first of 4 answers. Every answer starts with a letter and a parenthesis. Here is the second answer, the third, and the fourth. And you can tell also that there is a star, indicating that the answer C is the right answer. I created the method from text to parse the answer in a nicely typed C# object. And if I click continue, here's the final result of my question generated. So if you're creating quizzes from books or documentations, GPT and Chat GPT can be your friends.